Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to edit photo on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and provide full guide. So I hope if you want to follow my all process, then you can easily edit your any image pro level. So I'm just take this image. So simply at first need to change one settings. So open your settings, scroll down, click on to Galaxy Eye. At first make sure to turn on your Galaxy Eye, then you enjoy more feature. Press on to photo assist, make sure to turn on, click on and turn on this. Okay, and open your gallery and select any photo, then showing it to more different way. Click on, then you enjoy to Galaxy Eye feature. Click on to pen option. If you want to increase or decrease size, rotate, click on, then it's flip, rotate and change frame size. Okay, provide more frame size, select any on, 1:1, 3:4 and place your image. Okay, like I'm select custom, like I'm select original. Okay, press on save. Again, if you want to adjust image brightness, click on, then showing it to more option, black and white, shadow and showing it more. Just easily increase or decrease. Okay, click on, but some image has unexpected object, you just easily remove, click on to erase object. So if you want to remove this object, just select and press on erase. So now remove this, press on done and have more feature. If you want to add blur effect, click on to select and I'm just blur this area. Okay, and you just overall you just easily edit your photo, no need to use any third-party apps because Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 provide all feature in your gallery section. So thank you.